Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalini Mishra aka Style Milagro. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 8 lipsticks recommend करूंगी which are best suited for the upcoming festive and wedding season. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you are going to find the perfect shade for your skin tone. Also ये सारे ही shades are from Indian homegrown cosmetic brands. एक को छोड़ के एक Maybelline का है which is an international brand. Otherwise बाकी 7 lip shades are from Indian homegrown brand. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first lipstick is from Kiro in the shade Pink Granite. It's a very beautiful pink plum lip color, which is a super lightweight formula and is absolutely transfer proof. Plus also it stays for around 10 to 16 hours on your lips. This color is a very lush pink color which is not too chatak and also not very subtle कि आप इसको किसी nude category में डाल दो, but it is just the right bright pink color. It stays true to its name, that is Kiro non-stop airy matte liquid lipstick. क्योंकि जब आप इसे लगाओगे you will never feel that something is on your lips as it is that weightless. This is the hand swatch and look how beautiful and stunning this pink color is. Without a doubt, a perfect pink color for every skin tone. Next lip shade is again from the pink category. It is a light mauvey pink color by Love Child by Masaba Gupta in the shade Meetha Jaljeera. इसका texture काफी creamy है and velvety है, काफी beautiful सा shade है and is perfect for festive and special occasion. Also daily wear में भी ये काफी अच्छा है. So if you are dressing up or dressing down, ज़्यादा नहीं कर रहे हैं और बहुत light भी makeup नहीं है, but then still this will complement a lot of makeup looks. मेरे हिसाब से ये काफी beautiful color है, but थोड़ा इसका texture मुझे thick लगता है and it takes its own sweet time to dry out. But once dried, it doesn't buzz off at all. If paired with the right lip liner, I think this will go on all Indian skin tones. Now that I'm done with pink lipstick recommendation, let's move on to red color, and in that category I have a very pretty stunning budget friendly lipstick from my Glam in the shade I Fly. It's a proper liquid lipstick, glides very easily on the lips and is transfer proof. Little thick in texture though, but is a beautiful red color. Now the website claims it as pink cum mauve color, but on my lips and on my undertone, it doesn't look mauvey or pink at all. I think that it falls completely in the red category. So definitely color theory has defeated me, and you guys can check according to yourself whether this suits your requirement or not. Though I really think this red color has pink undertones and is not very warm red color. Also it's a very muted red color for me and that is why I really like it. It is very long lasting and has a beautiful texture, so you can go for it. Moving on to our next lipstick. At this point, who doesn't know about the Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink lipstick, which are super shiny and glossy but is actually matte. From that range only, I have a very beautiful shade Lippy, which is again a red color, though it is a little burnt or dark red color, not that warm and not that surkh wala lal. So if you see, it is somewhat brick kind of color rather than a very chatak red. Now this one claims to be 16-hour long wear, but in my opinion it stays for only 8 to 9 hours. Many times with my Indian attire I have applied it when I go to my office. पहले तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है for an office wear, but secondly it also doesn't stay for longer hour, at least not 16 hours. उसका just half 8 hours रुक सकती है. So if your Diwali party or your wedding, you are at a wedding जो कि 6, 8, 9, 10 hours चल रही है, तो this is a very good red color that you can try. Rest, it gives a very rich pigmented, looks gorgeous, shiny and has a lightweight formula. Moving further from red, let's talk about terracotta or burnt orange or brownish orange shades, which in my opinion looks absolutely gorgeous and stunning on Indian outfits especially, and will look super good on every skin tone. In the same shade range, I have a very beautiful lipstick from PAC, जिसके बारे में मैंने पहले भी बहुत बात किया है. I absolutely love this lipstick. It's one of the constant liquid lipsticks in my vanity. This one is from PAC and the shade is Go Getter number 17. By the way, मैंने अभी वही लगा रखी है. Let me swatch it for you guys and show you exactly how it looks. So this is the shade and see how beautiful it is. It will go with all Indian skin tones. Looks absolutely beautiful and pretty. चाहे लाइट मेकअप किया हो या फुल कवरेज वाला, ये लिपस्टिक बॉम है. लाइक इट विल लुक गॉर्जियस ऑन एवरी आउटफिट, ऑन ऑल काइंड ऑफ मेकअप. It's a super lightweight formula. It has that powdery velvety texture. When I talk about velvety texture, इस lipstick के सामने कोई stand नहीं करता है. And it is super long lasting, stays for so many hours. I absolutely love it and that's why I have stick to this shade. I am repeating again and again that ये हर skin tone और हर Indian outfit के साथ जाएगा because I truly believe in that. So go get yourself this one for sure. The other shade in orange category I have is from Plum Goodness in the shade Papaya. It is absolutely orange for my skin tone, but it's actually a very warm peachy shade and on a very fair skin tone ये बहुत ही warm peachy nude shade लगेगा. This is the exact color. You can see how orangish peachy shade it is. काफी कंफर्टेबल फॉर्मूला है, काफी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, काफी ज्यादा लाइट वेट है एंड इजी एप्लीकेशन है. टिक्स ऑल द क्राइटेरिया दैट अ लिक्विड लिपस्टिक मस्ट हैव. So if in this festive season you are doing some dark smoky eye like brown ka ya black ka, then I think this lipstick, this color will really complement the entire look. Even if you're wearing some dark outfit, then also ये बहुत ही अलग stand करेगा and will really complement your whole outfit and your whole look. So I really believe that this lipstick alone can pull off an entire look चाहे जैसा भी हो. अभी रेड हो गया, पिंक हो गया एंड ऑरेंज भी हो गया, तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू माय फेवरेट कैटेगरी, माय फेवरेट शेड, दैट इज ब्राउन. सो इन द ब्राउन शेड कैटेगरी आई हैव अ वेरी गॉर्जियस एंड स्टनिंग शेड फ्रॉम एन इंडियन homegrown brand which is getting super viral in the last 1 year. I am talking about Fae Beauty Lip Whip range and I have the shade Safeword with me. I believe that it is a perfect brown shade. बहुत warm नहीं है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा muted नहीं है, toned down नहीं है, extremely long lasting and stays for longer hours. It is also very difficult to remove it sometimes using micellar water. Makeup remover oil से ही ये हटता है, ये एकदम घुस जाता है. And but the best part is इतना lightweight formula है, plus also आपकी cracks या कुछ भी आपकी lines वाइन्स नहीं दिखाता है. Now I'm going to swatch it for you. Look how beautiful this color is. Extremely pigmented, very dark brown color. दिख नहीं रहा है उतना डार्क क्योंकि सामने से नेचुरल लाइट भी है एंड रिंग लाइट की भी लाइट है, तो इसलिए नहीं दिख रहा है. ऑल्सो एक बार ये ड्राई हो जाता है तो अपने फुल प्रॉपर कलर में आता है, मतलब ये और डार्क हो जाता है वंस ड्राइड. मूविंग फर्दर, दिस इज द लास्ट लिपस्टिक बट सर्टेनली नॉट द लीस्ट वन. पूरे वीडियो में यही एक लिपस्टिक है जो कि बुलेट लिपस्टिक है, बाकी सब लिक्विड लिपस्टिक थी. इट इज जस्ट द ब्यूटिफुल shade, long lasting shade, even if it is a bullet lipstick. Also मतलब टक्कर देती है सारे liquid lipsticks को. I am talking about Swiss Beauty Bullet Lipsticks in the shade Brandy Harrington. Now ये बहुत ही viral shade था 1-1.5-2 साल पहले, but मैंने तब try नहीं किया था. मैंने अभी recently इसे purchase किया and I am telling you मुझे makeup करने की जरूरत नहीं रहती है, कुछ भी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं रहती है, मैं सिर्फ इसको लगा लेती हूँ और ये इतनी खूबसूरत लगती है by God. Extremely beautiful shade, highly pigmented, gives you that rich brown color और इसमें tint of maroon भी है. तो ये brown तो है but you know बहुत ही dark maroonish color भी लगता है, wine sort of color भी लगता है in certain light and at certain times. बिल्कुल चिपकती नहीं है ऐसे, अनलाइक अदर क्रेयॉन और बुलेट लिपस्टिक्स. इट्स अ वेरी लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला. आई थिंक इट इज अ वेरी बोल्ड येट क्लासी कलर विच इज सुपर अफोर्डेबल. अभी और क्या चाहिए. And I so believe that this lipstick is a perfect addition to your vanity this festive and also the upcoming fall/winter season. Okay, so these were all the lipstick recommendations. I hope you found this video helpful. All the lipsticks will be linked down in the description, so make sure to check it out if you want to purchase any lipstick. Also, let me know what kind of videos you want to see on my channel. And thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Really grateful. And if you are a new viewer, make sure to subscribe and share if you liked the video. So see you guys next time with another kick-ass video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.